Hello everyone, this is Nerdsplosion Electronics, and today I'm going to show you how to 3D print and model your own thing. So, what you want to do, I use SketchUp, and that's what I'm going to be showing. That's what I'm going to be showing in this tutorial. So right now, I'm going to you can build super highly complicated objects, like it's meant for this. So, I'm just going to build a little, like, I don't know, I'll build something. Let's see. This will just be for test purposes, obviously. 50 by 50 millimeters. Let's get the middle here. And if you guys really want, I'll show you guys how to. Oh, excuse me. I'll show you guys how to, like more tutorials on SketchUp and how to model and all that. So I'm just getting a basic idea here. Okay, let's go in here. So now I'm just gonna use the eraser tool. Erase all these lines that I don't need. Good. Okay, so the default, by the way, in case, because you're like, oh, this isn't very smooth of a circle, and yes, I know that. The default for SketchUp is 24 line segments inside a circle. You can easily change that by going, say I want to do, I don't know, 6 or something. What you basically do is, you change the amount of segments. You'll find it down here, and you'll basically just say I want 100 line segments, and that's what you do to make it look more. Not hide. That's what we do to make it look more smooth. So, okay. So now, sure, I'll just pop this thing out like 50. By the way, when it says negative, ignore that when you. So say I want to go up more, like to 50, then I just do 50, and it actually does go up. If you do negative 50, they don't go down negative 50. It's just a weird thing. I don't know why they do that. And then I'll pull this guy up by half a centimeter. By the way, make sure when you're modeling your object, I recommend using centimeters or millimeters. Like, don't use feet or anything like that, because then you'll be working in very small, it could be working like 0.1 feet or something like that, and it's going to be all weird. And use metric. It's way better. Don't use imperial garbage. Okay, so now I'm gonna. Sure. It's gonna be some like stupid thing or something. It's gonna be. Actually, yeah, I'll do that. And see, I'm drawing it on the blue axis right now. Right there. See that? But that's not the point. So now we gotta find the middle of this. So use a pencil tool. It's easy. Found the middle. And now actually no, I did. Yeah, okay, there. So then we just go and make sure that it intersects. Okay, nothing's showing up. So this is a common problem. You want, like, say I want to build the exact same square or rectangle under above this. So what you want to do is basically you'll just draw a line that goes up. It goes right here. You want to draw it out. I don't know. Just make sure it goes out straight. Make sure it's straight. That's important. You want to go to the midpoint of this and make sure it's on the blue axis. Go up, and then just delete this line. And now you have an exact corner, or exact right angle, right where this edge down here ends. So then you take then you take your pencil out again and draw another line. It's going to be hard to see. And see how it says from point? Well, then you draw the line, and now they're the exactly same height as this one. So now it obviously makes a rectangle. That doesn't really matter. And so then you can just, from now on, just draw your rectangle, although it's going to be kind of challenging. Make sure you have it in the orientation you want it. And then all you got to do from now, double click that or single click or one click. I think it works too. 50, 50, bam. Then a couple of erases and it should be fine. Oh, whoops, I did too much. Bam, that's like it never existed. And then this is a tape measure, so you can like see how long is this? 5 millimeters. So then pull this one up 5 millimeters. And then I don't know, you got like some kind of weird thing, weird object that you can like put crap in. Sure, let's make it 10 centimeter. You know what? I got an idea. It's a super fancy ashtray. That's what it is. Undo. Yeah, super fancy ashtray. I don't know why I can't get this thing to work. Maybe I'm just not seeing it move. That's definitely not moving, I don't think. Yeah, no, what the... That's interesting. I'll just... There, whatever. You got your weird ashtray, whatever. Doesn't matter. Okay, so now we go... oh yeah, and by the way, we're going to want to export as STL, but if you guys just got SketchUp, you're going to want to go to the extension warehouse. It's this little object, or not, icon right here. Click it, and I have no internet for some reason. But click it, and then just go, make sure you have a SketchUp account, which you should, and then you just look up STL, and then download it, install it. Then now you have your STL extension. Click STL export in file, and then do millimeters, obviously, and ACII. And this doesn't really it doesn't really matter. I don't have to select the whole thing anyways. So I'll just hit export, call it ashtray something, I don't know. Okay, now what you want to do is, because SketchUp or it actually doesn't really matter on what 3D software, like modeling software we use, Blender, it doesn't matter. What you want to do is always put it through NetFab to make it watertight and 3D printable. So you go to open, and we look down for oh, there it is. Ashtray. Oh, see that right there? That means that there's something the matter with it. What the hell? Okay. See right there. See, look at that. It's like, this is completely like hollow and stuff. So it's should fill in for us. So what you want to do is go to part repair, and then we're going to do automatic repair, default repair, or simple. I recommend default. Execute. Bam. Filled that in for me. Kept this the way I wanted it. And so yeah, like I purposely left that out. And then what you want to do is go to apply repair, remove old part, and now you have your new part that is a solid, nice filled bottom. And yeah, it fixed it. It's now easily 3D printable. So let's go to project. And then what you want to do, or not project, I want to go to part. And then what you want to do is go to export part as STL. It doesn't have to be ACI. You can if you want it. Save. Some formats do not include enough. This may result in errors. Let's see here. Okay, so yeah, basically what I did, I made these too thin. So optimize. Alright, so now we export. So now it's exported. Let's, this is just a Bitcoin. I had it open. We want to open. Alright, ashtray. Here we go. Sure, we can print it with the Bitcoin. Doesn't matter. So there's our ashtray. Bam, just like we wanted it. Perfect. Get rid of this guy. Delete. Center this one on the platform. And there. So there's your model. This is just an example. You can model whatever you want. Then put it through NetFab. Then put it into your slicer. I use Cura. I recommend it. And so yeah, then all you gotta do is get your settings right, quality, all that, and then hit print, and you should be good to go. This should be error free. But just for this one, I'm just gonna say, obviously you want to rotate it. So let's rotate this way. This isn't really an optimal model, anyways, because center it. But that was not right. There we go. Because it's still got a huge overhang, so you're going to want to use supports anyways and then clean it up after. But who knows, it could print it very well, but I doubt it. So yeah, make sure you use supports if you're going to make a model like this, overhangs or something like that. But yeah, that was the tutorial on how to model, optimize, and 3D print anything you create using SketchUp. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please check out all my other amazing videos right over here. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe.